In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your website to Hostinger in 2020, an essential skill for anyone looking to transfer their site smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're moving for better hosting performance, more features, or cost-effective pricing, transitioning your website to Hostinger can provide significant benefits. To ensure a smooth migration, let's walk through the steps together, focusing on clarity to make the process as straightforward as possible. First, we'll begin by navigating to Hostinger's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Hostinger, or simply search for Hostinger Login. Once there, you'll see the main page where you can log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's a good idea to create one now. Remember, being organized from the start can save a lot of time. Next, after logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard. Here, look for the Websites option on the menu. This area is central to managing all your site operations, and it's where we'll initiate our website migration. At the top or side of the panel, click on Add Website. This step is crucial as it tells the Hostinger system that you're planning to bring an existing website into their environment. After you click Add Website, you'll see several options for setting up new domains, but your focus should be on Migrate Website. Click this option, and it will open up Hostinger's migration tool. This tool is designed to simplify the usually complex process of transferring websites, ensuring all your files, databases, and configurations are moved accurately without disrupting your site's functionality. Now, as you proceed with the migration process, Hostinger will prompt you to enter your current website details. This typically includes your present hosting credentials, such as the current hosting provider, login information, and sometimes FTP details. By entering these correctly, Hostinger can securely access your current website data. Always double-check these to ensure that no information is incorrect. Once you've filled in your details, initiate the migration process by following the prompts. Hostinger's system is designed to automate this as much as possible, but keeping a backup of your website data before you start is a wise precaution. This ensures that you have a safety net in the unlikely event anything goes awry. Finally, after your website data has been securely transferred, verify all of your site functionalities and data integrity on Hostinger's platform. Browse through various pages, check forms, and ensure that dynamic elements work as intended. Everything should be in place and your site should be accessible to your audience without hitches. And there you have it. You've successfully migrated your website to Hostinger. By following these clear, straightforward steps, you can enjoy all the benefits of Hostinger's robust platform, from improved site performance to excellent support services. As always, make sure to monitor your website closely after the migration to ensure everything runs smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your website transition needs.